All right, welcome to Good to Know. Today we're going to be talking about people who want to eat healthy, but they have a hard time making fresh food. Because if you're going to eat healthy, you got to have fresh food. I don't even eat leftovers. So this is basically I have 3 pressure cookers, Instapots, and here this morning I put a couple of sweet potatoes. I had a sweet potato in the morning, my eggs in the morning, and had like my breakfast. And I made the sweet potato like last night, so it just stayed warm overnight. I made beans a couple days ago. They're still in here, very hot. They're ready to go. So this is going to be a meatless day. Very methodical. So I just went ahead and just took the liberty of just cutting some of these Brussels sprouts. I'm basically just going to toss them in here, steam them up, and then they don't even take very long. Maybe 3 to 4 minutes or whatever, maybe 5 minutes. Depends on how soft you like them. So the first thing that I'm going to do is actually, I'll put this down here. The first thing I'm going to do is, I like to have a salad. If I make a salad, it should last 3 to 4 days. There's a lot of salad in it. It's pretty packed with herbs and pretty much everything you want. Okay? What I do is I serve myself a salad. Let me just put this tripod down. So I basically serve myself a salad, right? And it's very dense, very finely chopped. You want to have beets and other stuff in it. I haven't put that in yet, so this is how I'm going to have it right now. It's kind of a late night. I do that. That's as much salad as I'm going to take. I'm going to throw a sweet potato in here, and I'm going to mash the sweet potato up. I'm going to take some black beans. I'm going to serve those up. And I mix them all together. I got my proteins, my carbohydrates to complete the protein. Throw some homemade ginger salad dressing. It's just it's off the charts delicious. I should teach everybody how to make that. You smash this stuff all together. Doesn't look like it's going to be very appetizing, but it's off the charts incredible. Like the experience. Instead of doing potato, you can throw pasta in here and just mix it all around evenly, just all mashed up, swirl it around. And the last step on this is to pour ginger dressing in here. So it's made with salt and ginger and garlic and caraway seeds and honey and vinegar and olive oil, and it's just blended it up super fine. You throw that in there, you mix this around. You're not going to believe how amazing that is on your body. You eat that on a regular basis. This is number one, I'm telling you.